Hi. I am trying to make this thing not fall by covering it. Play-Doh, this, with a for parachute, electrical tape, paper bag, and bubble wrap. I'm gonna put my egg in the bubble wrap, tape it, and Play-Doh all over it. And then I'm gonna set it in here, wrap it, electrical tape it, and probably you tape it like that. And yeah. On off my deck. Yeah. First I will roll out my Play-Doh with pencil maybe. It won't work. Okay, got it to work. Okay, now I roll it out. I have to do my other side. Stuck. All done. Put it on my egg. Tape it. Now I think I might need more Play-Doh.
What did you decide, Liberty?
I decided to tape it. It's stuck on my finger. So. Now, Mom, can you hold this for me so I tape it? Hard doing this.
Are you gonna?
Maybe. Okay. All done. Oh. I have another tape. Like, maybe here. Wait. Would you like it? Okay, all done.
All right, Liberty, do you have it all?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in the bubble wrap. Tape it to the bubble wrap. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna take the egg so it does not fall off when we trying to do what we trying to do. So now I will okay, now again. Looks like a life jacket. Okay. I want to see. Okay, we're gonna have to drop it like this. I'm gonna put this green string like this.
How long do you want?
I don't know. How about the song? I'm gonna put each little end on this paper bag.
Maybe.
Think it's done. So let's go outside and test it. Well, it's
Hold
actually,
it up and see if it holds up.
yeah. There's actually a lightning out there, so I don't know. But let's do it. Okay, I got 100% get dropped there. I hope that works. Ready, set, go! I got that! Ah! Did it work? No! That was cold out there. And let's unwrap it.
Did it fall to the ground?
Yeah, it fell Greg, let's see. This is gonna be hard to have some done. Grab it from all this electrical tape. Honey, come up. Okay. Now we are going to unwrap it and see if it broke. Okay, let's see if it broke. It didn't break! Well, guess. Yeah. Do I have to break it? I want to break it. Can I? Goodbye, Mr. Kina.